So it's very nice.
वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरु श्रीयुतपदकमलं श्रीगुरून् वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सहगण रघुनाथान्वितं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधाकृष्णपादान् सहगण ललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितां च श्यामलिमछटाभिरभितो मिन्दिकृतिन्दिवरं जाड्यं जागुडरुचिषां विदधतं पटाम्बरं च श्रियां बृन्दारण्यविलासिनो हृदि लसत् दामाभिरामोदरं राधास्कन्दनिवेशितजलभुजं ध्यायेमदामोदरम् नीलाचलनिवासाय नित्याय परमात्मने बलभद्र सुभद्राभ्यां जगन्नाथाय ते नमः। तमादिदेव करुणानिधानं तमालवर्णं सुहृदावतारम् अपार संसार समुद्रसेतुं भजामहे भागवतस्वरूपम् श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं लसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भ्राजमानं नमामीश्वरं यशोदाभियोलुखोलाब्धावमानं परामृष्टमोत्यात धृत्य गोप्या रुदन्तं मुहुर्नेत्र जुग्मं मृजन्तं कराम्बुजयुग्मेन शातङ्कनेत्रम् मुहुश्वासकम्पत्रिरेखाङ्ककण्ठं स्थितगैवदामोदरं भक्तिभद्रम् नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं लसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले व्रजमानं इति दृक्षलीलाभिरानन्दकुण्डे स्वघोषं निमज्जन्तमाख्यापयन्तम् दृक्सलीलाभिरानन्दकुण्डे स्वघोषं निमज्जन्तमाख्यापयन्तम् तदीयसितज्ञेषु भक्तिर्जितत्वं पुनः प्रेमतस्तं शतावृत्ति वन्दे नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं लसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भ्राजमानं वरं देवमोक्षं न मोक्षावधिं वा न चान्यं वृणेऽहं वरेशादपीह वरं देवमोक्षं इदं ते वपुर्नाथ गोपालबालं सदा मे मनसा वीरस्तं किमन्ये नमामि स्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं लसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले विराजमानम् इदं ते मुखाम्भोज अत्यन्तनीले घृतं कुन्तले स्निग्धरक्ते च गोप्या इदं ते मुहुचुम्बितं बिम्बरक्त्राधरं मे मनस्या विरास्तामलं लक्ष्यलाभे नमामि स्वयं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं लसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले विराजमानम् नमो देव दामोदरानन्त विष्णु प्रसीद प्रभु दुःख जलधिमग्नम् कृपादृष्टिवृष्ट्यातिदीनं बतानु गृहाणे समामग्नमेधकीदृश नमामि स्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं रसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले विराजमानम् नमस्ते स्तुदाम्ने सुरदीप्तिधाम्ने त्वदीयदरायस्य विश्वस्य धाम्ने नमो राधिका वै तदीयप्रियायै नमो अनन्तलीलाय देवाय तुभ्यम् नमामि स्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं गोकुले विराजमानम् कुबेरात्मजौ बद्धमूर्तिवजद्वत् त्वयामोचितौ भक्तिभाजौ कृतौ च तथा प्रेम भक्तिं स्वकामे प्रयच्छ न मुखे ग्रहुमेस्ति दामोदरेह नमामि स्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं रसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले विराजमानम् नमस्ते धाम्ने सुरदीप्तिधाम्ने त्वदीयदरायस्य विश्वस्य धाम्ने नमो राधिकायै त्वदीयप्रियायै नमो अनन्तलीलाय देवाय तुभ्यम् नमामि स्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं रसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले विराजमानम् Damodara Radha Damodara Damodara Radha Damodara Daya Kara Radha Damodara Daya Kara Radha Damodara Jaya Radhe Jaya Radhe Jaya Radhe Jaya Shri Radhe Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Sai Gaura Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Jai Sri Radha Damodar Ji ki Jai Sri Giriraj Maharaj ki Jai. The first of all, I offer my respectful obeisance to His Divine Grace, Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnu Pada Stotra Sata, Sri Srila Bhakti Vaibhav Puri Goswami Maharaj, Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnu Pada Stotra Sata, Sri Jivana Janardana Goswami Maharaj, Bhatla Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, all with associates, Bhakti Siddhanta Goswami Thakur Prabhupada, all Vaishnavas. I respect and love all Vaishnavas and Vaishnavis who are participating in our online program. Today is very auspicious day. We observe here Giriraj Puja, Govardhana Puja. In India, yesterday also, some they observe this Govardhana Puja. But today in Mayapur we are observing. Sometimes this Tithi day, 1 or 2 days, it is happening like this according to the calculation of the Yotis, astrology. Actually, in Govardhan and Vrindavan, they observe Giriraj Puja like 1 month. Different days, different village, different temples they observe, not particularly 1 day, but they follow also maybe after 15 days, 1 month also they observe this Govardhan Puja. So we little desire today we discuss, before we discussed about Giriraj and Govardhan pastimes. So again today we can little discuss. When Krishna was in 7 years old, quite he grew up. He is now in Kishore Vayas, means like new youth and he started to play flute and performing with also with conjugal love with young gopis. They all attracted to him, and in Vrindavana Leela, he was going to protect the cows, different forests. Every year in this Deepavali time in Vrindavan, Nanda Maharaj from his ancestors, they were worshipping to Indra like fire sacrifice. This is in Vedic injection. They are performing to other demigods fire sacrifice. So they were also following this, and this was a great endeavor for them. All villages, before 2 weeks they come, they sit to discuss how we will do. They collect money, they collect all paraphernalia, and they who will give, how much they can give. So they first discuss, then they invite to priests who will perform this yajna. Their family priest was Sandilya Rishi. So Sandilya Rishi also he came. When 7 years old, Krishna, he wanted to play little different pastime. He decided to stop this worshipping to Indra. Why he wanted to stop this? He is actually his free will, Ichhamaya. What he wants by his will, he can do. Nobody understands. But here, he wanted to little play with Indra, to teach with Indra. Why? Because now Krishna killed many demons. Those demons, they were attacking to heaven, defeated to also Indra and all the demigods. So now they are happy. Indra and the demigods, they are happy that the Krishna is there in his incarnation, he is killing them. So they are very happy. So if they become very happy, what they do? They are taking Somarasa. Somarasa means like wine in Devatas. Not like here wine. There is a different process there. Little intoxication. So they take this and themselves dancing and the music and all these are the mainly what they to do. This is the world. So they enjoy with this, and Krishna wanted to change them. 7 years old, he saw all village old people, they all together, and there one like a courtyard, they sit and they were discussing about how we will perform sacrifice this year. So all Brahmins also they came there, they were sitting, then they were discussing. Krishna was playing with his boys and Balaram also with him. They went to forest and they return, and evening time they were sitting, they were discussing. Then Krishna saw them with all friends. He told, "Oh, we should go. Why our fathers, uncles, all they are sitting and what they are discussing? We should go and we will ask." So they all took, okay, we should go. Then they came. When they were discussing, Krishna came with Balaram and others. They offered Dandavat there to everyone, and they stopped what they were discussing, how to do, how to collect everything they discussed. Then Krishna asked him, "Oh, Father, what you were discussing, any problem? If nothing is serious, you can tell us. We have interested to know this, because now we will grow up, so we are taking care cow now, and if some have a problem or something happen, if we know this is better for us, we can protect, we can care for this. And because we are our sons and we are here, so nothing is secret to discuss with the village. You can tell openly to us, we want to know this. Because maybe Nanda Maharaj tell you are children, you don't understand this, you go to play. Why you will listen this? This is not for you. Maybe he will tell this." So Krishna told beginning that, "Oh, now we grow up, and we want to take care of our village and our property and our business. So we should know this." So first Krishna put all questions beside this. Then everyone, they are happy by Krishna's question. Then Nanda Maharaj told, "Oh, my son, you know, this is, we are planning to do like every year to worshipping Indra. This is our family tradition. All village we together collect all paraphernalia and we perform to Indra. And Indra," then Krishna told, "Why we worship to Indra? What is his relation with us?" Nanda Maharaj told, "Indra, he is the rain god. He distributes waters, raining. So all fields grow up grass, all tree plants growing up. Our cows, they are grazing there, and everyone becomes happy. If we don't worship, then they will not maintain us." Then this is Vedic tradition. Everywhere they are following this principle. We also follow this. Then Krishna told, "Oh, I don't see Indra. Never I saw Indra came and he distributing water to us. If he distributed to us, we are sacrificing, but sometimes they also I saw in a mountain, in the ocean also raining. Why they are raining there? They no need water in ocean." So actually what you are saying, that we are worshipping, he is distributing, raining, this is not actually logically right. Because why they are raining in the ocean and in the mountain and other place? This is the system of the nature. They in season, by the time of the Supreme Lord, is raining coming, everywhere raining. So if we don't worship, he will not rain. Sure, he will rain. He is nothing to do with rain. who are worshipping to him because they are administrating to all these low-cost planets. The kings, rulers who are collecting tax from the citizens, they should worship them. Their department they have to do. We are living in the forest, our business with the cows and with the animals, and always we saw the Govardhan. We saw there, we come, our cows grazing there, take food and the grass, and we drink water there, and we have fruits and flowers, everything there. This is actually maintaining, Govardhan is maintaining us. And the clouds, when they are moving by air, by heating the mountain, they rain. This is practically, we saw this. We never see the Indra. Have you seen Indra? Sometimes he came or he distributing or he talk with you. I told him no. Therefore, I am saying I am a practical man. And karma, what we are doing karma, we get the karma phala. This benefit result comes up. If we don't do our karma, what will do Indra? Indra's duty, if Indra is there, Indra's duty is to give rain, he will rain. Why we worship to him? Because he is Supreme Lord and he wanted to change this karma philosophy. So he argue with them, so who can argue with him? All the priests there, Nanda Maharaj also there, they told yes. All the village people, they said, Krishna, what he says, this is true. Actually, Govardhana is giving us grass and water and everything, our cows go there taking care. And we, yes, what you say, this is logical and true. Therefore, I came, and why we unnecessarily spend so much ghee, butter, milk, and money we spend for this Indra who don't know what is he and where he is staying, what he is doing, what is necessary to do. The better we worship to Govardhan. Govardhan will take care of us. Govardhan giving everything to us. We are going there every day. We protect. We so maintain this. So they convinced with Krishna's logic. Here the karma philosophy, he changed this. Then they decided to we worship to Govardhan. How we will Govardhan worship? We never did it. He told everyone should prepare more bhoga, more rice, different types of rice, sour rice, sweet rice, and yellow rice and white rice, many cakes, sweet rice, many puri, kachori, and all this pakoda, samosa, rasgulla, gulab jam, all items, laddus. And we do more, prepare, and we offer to Giriraj. In one place, we will clean, sweep and clean with cow dung and put some protection and for like roof, and we prepare one Giriraj there, and with Vedic mantras we worship, do abhishek to, with milk, with yogurt, with honey, with panchamrita, ghee, and then we sing, we chant the Krishna, the Harinam Kirtan. Brahmanas, they can give Swasti Vachana for benefit for whole universe. They can pray to the Creator, the Supreme Lord, and we give food to cows, we will give food to Brahmins, we will give Dakhina to Brahmins, and with the cows we will do parikrama with Kirtan, Sankirtan, with music and chanting we will do, and we worship. This is the best yajna in to worship this way. They all convinced, okay, we do this. Then they stop for fire sacrifice. They started to worship Govardhan. They prepare. Now you see in Mukhara Binda there in Govardhan, there is Manasa Sarovar and Jatipura. There is temple there, they are worshipping there, they performing Abhishek there, bath with milk. When we do parikrama, we saw this. So there they started to do that. And there is Haridev's temple. Now we saw there. In this way, they prepare more than whole Vrindavan, all house. They told, oh, today Krishna changed the fire sacrifice and he started to do in Govardhan Puja. So he told to prepare many sweets, many sweet rice and all items. So every house they became also happy. Oh, Govardhan, they wanted to newly to puja to Govardhan. So they are very happy and they prepare more items, more preparations, and with Krishna's love they prepare. Actually, Krishna's one desire there, if we see in the past time, gopis, they are preparing all these items, cooking and feeding all these items. Krishna has a desire to eat. He does not want to give to Indra because they are preparing with their love. So Krishna is there, says he wants to take the love. Why give to others? So he has inner desire there. So now, by Krishna's love, they prepare more preparations, items. And in Deepavali day, in this day, before they started to worship, they are offering lamp and incense and a bhogo. They performed this, and they are very beautiful sacrifice and offering there many bhogos. They come and they offer there. Then when they are together, all sitting there, Krishna also with Mother Yashoda and Balaram with Mother Rohini, all children with their family, their mothers with it all together. Then they saw from Govardhan another one hill come out with two hands come out there, big hands. And he told, oh, I am very pleased with your worshipping to me, with your puja, and bring what you have brought to offering me. He took all baskets of thali and everything they offered to him, and he was taking to that two hands and eating. They never saw this, and Krishna told, oh, Jai Giriraj Maharaj ki Jai Ho. He told this, and they all are chanting and dancing. Oh, Giriraj is so merciful. You see, he came. Now you never see like it to Indra. And he came, but Krishna is same. From here is there, another form is there. And he came, he appeared there, and he's taking all this. There is many so rice and puri and kachori and laddu and sweet rice, everything taking. Oh, they saw. Oh, very satisfied. Giriraj, how is Giriraj come to take this? We are very fortunate to see this. All Brahmins also, they became wonder. They astonished and they started to more loudly chanting Vedic mantras, chanting kirtan, chanting, all dancing, the music, they go on. Then they saw with Krishna's and all his friends, they come and to Krishna and they ask to Krishna, Krishna, what Govardhan is eating everything, what we will take? So there is no prasadam there. Then Krishna, no, he will give you prasadam. So by Krishna's, he is fulfilled. No, Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnam, he complete whole. So what he take, again baskets become full with this prasadam there. So everyone is happy that they will take prasadam there. In this way, then Govardhan, this came this sound. Oh, Vrindavan's inhabitants, oh, you have worshipped me, I am very pleased. If you have any desire, I am offering my boon to fulfill your desire without any concern. You ask this. Everyone will know they with their desire is our Krishna must be happy and he must be protected, he must be happy. They all desires to for Krishna. And Krishna himself, he is in Govardhan. Krishna, he is also here. So everything is Krishna's, nothing else. Their internal, outside, their activities, their puja and Govardhan, everything is for Krishna. And Krishna himself there. So this is full of Giriraj, his puja is for Krishna. So this. Then he told, okay, we will do parikrama. They offering to cow, decorated to cows. Many they put this turmeric, the haldi, then they decorated with the colors to cows, and they offer many prasadam, grass, and with music they did parikrama, Govardhana parikrama. And Krishna offered boon. Who will do parikrama of Govardhan? Govardhana will fulfill all desire to him. Until now, you see who are hundreds of thousands people, they go to do parikrama in Govardhan. Then they all became happy and they returned to house. Everything was nice. Then in heavenly planets, Indra, he saw, oh, today in Vrindavan, they should offer, they should worship us. And why they did not worship us? Why we do not invited there? They have not invited us because Brahmins come, they invite them to call them to take. They did not see this. They were listed. Their diary, the regulation there, who are performing us. Then he sent some spy to know what happened. So they came and they asked, what happened this year? What was problem? You did not worship. You worship to Govardhan and Krishna. Why you are to worship Govardhan? Krishna told, who is Indra? Indra is nothing. He is not raining. Raining is coming by nature, by time. We don't need to worship. We worship to Govardhan. And Govardhan, we saw Govardhan took all bhoga and offered a boon to save us and any desire, fulfill any desire. This we did, we are very happy. And they said, who do care for Indra? This is not. This demigods return and they told to Indra, they meeting, they are sitting, they told, oh, this Krishna changed everything. Even the priests, Brahmins, they also followed to him. They stopped this sacrifice and they decided to worship to Govardhan and they did this. They did Abhishek, they worship, they did Parikrama and Kirtan, glorified Govardhan like this. Then he told what they tell. They told, who is Indra? Indra is nothing. He is following his duty. We have no any relation with him. Govardhan is giving food us and protecting us. So they did not take care to Indra, and Indra became very angry. Told, oh, I think this cowherd man, they became very proud. And by their milk, by their these cows, they don't care to also demigods. This Krishna, this little boy, they follow to him. He forget that he is Supreme Lord. Before knows this, but now become angry. They stopped to worship him. They became angry. When man become angry, then he's lost his memory. Krodhat bhavati sammo, sammohat shruti vibhrama, shruti bhansat buddhinasa, buddhinasat panashyati. Bhagavad Gita told when man become angry, he lost his memory, intelligence lost, diffused. So same thing happened. Immediately he became angry and he told, now we will teach them, because if we don't teach them, then to follow to their instruction, other people also they will stop. They will not sacrifice us. And they worship to Govardhan. So we should now attack them and finish them. Completely they say, animals, their trees, house, and the people, everything we finish them. He called to the air god and the rain name, raining, there are different names up there. Samvartaka is name. Samvartaka means in distraction time, this rain comes. Samvartaka name. And he called to cyclone, a heavy wind. All they told, you go and I am coming with Airavata elephant, with my thunderbolt, and we destroy them. They ordered them, they came. So just today, they saw in Vrindavan, they saw, oh, big raining black cloud appear there. Whole Vrindavan became to wind come, accidentally heavy cyclone start, and ice raining start, and heavy. And then they all understood, oh, this is untimely, how it came. Sure, Indra became angry to us, he wanted to destroy us. Then immediately came this raining with cyclone, and everyone suffered, the cows, calves, everyone, they by the ice raining, they became very cold, freezing, and they have no place. All the roofs are taken by air. They suffer with the cyclone. Then they all elder people, they think, oh, we now stopped Indra, now angry, they want to kill us, what we do? Then they call to Krishna, only Krishna you can save us. We follow to him. Oh, they told to Krishna, Krishna, we follow to your order. Now Indra became angry, now you want to kill us. What do we do? You only protect this. Then Krishna understood. Okay, Indra became angry and he want to show his power. Okay, how much power you have, you apply, force this. Then Krishna, don't worry. What will you do? It's Indra. Indra has nothing to do here. We worship to protect, worship to Govardhana. Govardhana will protect us. Don't worry, come. Then Indra, Girira, Govardhan, he took Govardhan and took in his hand and put his in little finger, whole Govardhan, without break anything, like a umbrella, go up and stay there. Everyone, they are inside, come, stay with all your paraphernalia, animals, everyone, they come and stay inside there. And Krishna, they saw very beautiful his form, by his spiritual pleasure mood. Everyone, they are enjoying, just they don't understand what is going on outside. They are living inside like air condition, and they don't have any appetite, no hunger, no thirsty, no any feelings from birth, mentally and physically. 7 days and 7 nights passed. Indra and all demigods, they reign, they suffered too much with thunderbolt also, he felt, but nothing happened there because by Krishna's mystic power, no raining coming one drop to inside there, everything by in space, everything was finishing. And Indra became astonished. 7 days, 7 nights passed, nothing happened. Then he realized, oh, I have done mistake, we did offense. We do not recognize him, we do not understand him. Then they stopped, they left, and Krishna, everything became again light, sunrise come, everything became clean and fresh. Then he told, Krishna told, oh, everyone should go out. Now, maybe Govardhan fell down to you, so everyone go out. Then he put in proper place, same place. And after he came, then Indra, with all demigods, they went to Brihaspati, their spiritual master. They asked what to do. We have done the offense. He told, oh, you did not ask before, but one thing you do, you go to beg your excuse pardon, what he did offense. Better you go with Surabhi cow. Krishna is now Gopal. He is maintaining cows. So you go with Surabhi. First he is to go, she should go. You go backside. After she to Surabhi, Krishna become happy. Then you backside, you go and beg your offense. So same thing they did. They came. Same day Govardhan, they were Krishna with cows there. Again he came. First came Surabhi, who is the mother of cows. He told, oh, my Lord, you are protecting my family. You are so merciful in forest with bare feet. You take care of my children. I am so happy. I cannot say in my words to bless us. Then after it, she told, this Indra did offense to you. Now he came to beg his excuse. So please merciful to him. Then Indra after came out and he put his head in his feet. He told, you know, by this material power and position, we became blind. We don't understand sometimes. So same thing happened to me. I wanted to destroy you. You are the Supreme Lord. You are the Superior. You show your kindness and you protect you. Please bless me. I don't want to stay this position. I become a devotee. Like here, I can be happy and play with you. So he prayed like this. Then Krishna told, oh, you should not pride by this opulence. I will take out this position from you. You always remember me and maintain your position and your duty. Then he became afraid, and they all, Surabhi mother brought from his milk or breast. They did Abhishek to Krishna, and then Indra brought from the heavenly planet, brought Ganga, and they did Abhishek. Then they got the name is Govinda. So he became Govinda, and all this, the milk and the Ganga water, nourished to all Vrindavan, all grass and the trees, everything, they grow up very fertile. And this was nice, beautiful pastime. And this is Govardhan Leela today. How Krishna protected by his left hand and little finger to all devotees. Also he protect us by his hand to his devotees. We always surrender to him, we remember to him. So Gopis, they called his name is Giridhari. Giridhari means Giri means mountain, and who lift this mountain, and he became Giridhari. So we always do kirtan with the Giridhari. Gol Giriraj Maharaj ki jai, Govardhana Malila ki jai. So, and we do little kirtan. प्रभात संचार गतानुगावो तदरक्षणार्थ तनुजं यशोदा प्रबोधयत पाणितले न मंदं गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति 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 राधे राधे गोविंद गोविंद राधे 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 राधा दामोदर गोविंद राधे राधे राधा राधे राधा गोपीनाथ गोविंद राधे 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 राधा मदन मोहन गोविंद राधे 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 जय जय श्री राधे राधे हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि निताय गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल और प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल जय गिरिराज महाराज की जय गोवर्धन धारण की जय विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर परिपूर्ण महाराज की जय अनंत गुरु वैष्णव वृंद की जय समस्त गुरु वर्ग की जय जय श्री राधा दामोदर व्रत की जय और जय श्री राधा रानी की जय और ऑल डिवोटीज की जय गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल
Govardhana Maharaja.